Let's start with some things to take note of for Substance. As this script is only meant for the Substance to UE4 workflow, we will begin in Substance Painter. Suppose you have your model already textured. Your first step is to ensure naming conventions are correct. Name your texture set descriptively. During export, set your config to Unreal Engine 4, packed. File format to Targa. Common padding to dilation and transparent. Export. If emissive is needed, create emissive channel in the texture set you want and do things to it. Resulting emissive will be piped into its own TGA. Export with the same settings as before. If opacity is needed, create opacity channel in the texture set you want and do things to it. Also change shader to PBR metal rough with alpha blending. To view the opacity result in Substance's viewport, resulting opacity channel will be piped into alpha channel of base color. Export with the same settings as before. If SSS is needed, create scattering channel in the texture set you want. Import in scattering material.spsm. Drag and drop scattering smart material into the layers. Add black mask on the SSS layer folder. Paint or color select to set SSS only on areas you want light to scatter. Adjust your SSS settings, the lighter the area, the more light it will allow through. Set your scattering color, default is meant for skin. Toggle activate subsurface scattering in the camera settings to preview your SSS in E-Rate. Export with the exception of config being set to Unreal Engine 4 SSS, packed. Resulting scattering channel will be piped into alpha channel of base color. Therefore opacity and scattering are mutually exclusive. And now you're ready to start importing in your textures into Unreal. Thanks for watching.